we are going to go to the health tip for our week. So today, I think a health tip is quite important, but also easy, and it is about constipation, right? So we just want to give you 4 things to do if you are facing constipation, chronic constipation in particular, and you want to get rid of it. So I'm going to give you 2, and Gifty is going to give you 2. So Gifty, why don't you start today?
Okay, the first tip that I would like to recommend is by drinking a lot of water. I think we keep hearing this over and over, and I think the sun is out. It's likely that you're going to lose a lot of fluid. So the most important thing is drink a lot of water as much as possible. You don't want to overdo it, but try and consciously drink water. Plain water, no sports juice or anything like that, just plain water.
It's plain old water.
Yeah, right. And the second thing that I would like to recommend is probiotics. If you feel like you're doing all and it seems not to be working, try and take over-the-counter probiotics. Like we all know, any medication that you have to take, you have to talk to your doctor first. And if your doctor suggests it, go ahead and take it. A lot of probiotics over the counter. You just have to balance the flora in your big intestine so that it will help with constipation if you can't find any other way to manage it.
All right. So that is Gifty's health tips for constipation for this week. And you said what? Water, drink lots of fluid, and then probiotics. All right. And I'm also going to add exercise. You know, the exercise guy on the live. My goodness, I always mention exercise, right? All right. So exercise. You know, we know everybody's busy, especially with the summer coming up, the weddings, funerals, all those things that keep us busy on top of your job and family. But you got to make out time to exercise, because exercise cuts across every aspect of your life in terms of health. You know, whatever disease state you can think about, exercise helps you to either overcome it or not even to get sick at all. So that's my first tip on constipation. My second tip, I think I wrote down, is to eat a high fiber diet. If you are suffering from constipation, apart from those 3 we have already given, make sure you include foods that are rich in fiber, grains and greens and all the good stuff. All right. Less of the stuff that is processed, and you can overcome constipation. So that is your health tip for the week from the Life and Health Show. My goodness.